Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fire meme. First, immerse yourself in current internet culture to grasp what's trending. Identify a topic that resonates widely or a humorous scenario that will connect with many. Then, select an image or video that perfectly captures the essence of your idea, ensuring it's visually engaging and clear for your audience. Now, let's find your perfect content. Explore popular social media platforms to discover images and videos that are already gaining traction. Alternatively, utilize royalty-free image websites to find high-quality visuals that fit your concept. For truly unique memes, consider capturing or creating your own original content. This ensures your meme stands out. With your content ready, it's time to add the magic. Use a reliable meme generator or image editing software to overlay your text. Select a clear, legible font, such as Impact, to ensure your message is easily read. Strategically position your text for maximum impact and consider adding subtle effects like borders or shadows to make it pop. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Post your meme on social media platforms where your target audience is most active. To maximize visibility, aim to share during peak engagement hours. Remember to interact with comments and feedback, as this helps build a community around your content and boosts its reach.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.